browser and type in studio.youtube.com, studio.youtube.com. All right, so you can use any browser of your choice. Then you log in. Actually, I'm using Brave browser. You can use Chrome also. So please make sure you change it to your desktop site. Why we're using desktop site is to make it look as if you're using system. All right. So how do you know it's on desktop site? Go to the three icon by the side, down by the side, click on it, then go. You see mine is already on desktop site. If yours is not on desktop site, please, you see it up mobile site, change it and click it. Make sure this thing is turned on. All right, it will take it to desktop site. This desktop site will just make you feel as if you're using system, just like that, to show everything you need to know. All right. All right, since we are here, the next thing, you click on settings. Click on settings. Look at the settings by the downside. Let me use my pencil for you to see it. Look at the settings. Settings. Can you see that? Settings. So click on settings. Allow it to load. Then click on channel. Let me still use my pencil. Look at the channel, click on channel. Let me move in my pencil, click on channel. Good. So now, as you can see, you must make sure your country of residence is showing your own country, all right? See, look at it. Mine is showing Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria, make sure your own setting is showing Nigeria. Then if you're not in Nigeria, you can also click on this other the other side. You will see different countries, all right? You can see Malaysia, different things, but I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. All right, so now another thing you need to do, you see this place, you have keywords. You can put more than 4,000 keywords. All right, so make sure you impute beautiful keywords. Then when you're imputing your keywords, the first thing you need to impute is your channel name. Like right now, my channel name is Jenna CEO. All right, you keep on depending on what you're using, what your channel is all about. All right, so you also keep putting keywords of something related to your channel. So I do more of make money online, videos, importation videos, business videos, Facebook ads videos, in short, more of all tutorials. So let's keep going. So I keep putting all the yes, keywords: China importation, all right, Facebook ads, Instagram. Just you keep putting. All right, just continue. YouTube, sometimes I talk about YouTube tips too. All right, so tutorials, business ideas. Just keep putting how to make money online, to make money online. All right, you just keep putting more and more and more and more. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so the next thing you need to do, please click on save. Click on save. All right, so look at this, enter comma separated values. All right, so click on save. Do that. So the next thing you need to do when you save is to go to your feature eligibility. Go to your feature eligibility. All right, go to this feature eligibility, click on it, please. Click on it. So you see that. Good. You see all the standard features you see is enabled. All right, intermediate features enabled. All right, increase daily video upload and live stream enabled. So if your own is not enabled, make sure you enable it. So you must make sure everything here is enabled. If it's not enabled, please go ahead and enable everything. Then once you're done enabling, you click on save. All right, Good. Once you click on save, you are good to go. Another thing you should turn up again. Please just follow me. Another thing you should turn up again, you go to your customization. Go to your customization. So someone might say, where is the customization? So look at it. Let me use my pen. You can see this icon that looks like a pen that has 3 stars. That is your customization. All right, click on it. So when you come over here, you go to your profile. Please, if you don't have a banner, this is very important. Make sure you put in a banner that represents what your channel is all about. If you don't know how to create a banner, go to Canva. Click on YouTube banner. You'll see different things there. They have free version, they have pro version. You can also use free version, all right, to create your own banner. And again, the next video I will show you, you can also get Canva Pro with just 250 naira. Yes, for a month, not free. 250 naira is just like free, all right. So that will be another video for anytime. So if you want me to make that video, write on the comment section. Please make a video on how to get that 250 naira Pro Canva. I thought I do every month, all right. So but then another thing you should do again, make sure you put your picture and all that, all right. So these are very, very important. Another thing you should, when you're done with that, the next thing you should, and that setting you should look into, you see this home tab. This home tab is super amazing. When I I watched someone show this up, I was like, are you sure? Then since I turned it on, I've been getting views. Hey God, unlike my channel, I've been getting subscribers. And in just 3 days, I said I'll come and make a real video on that, but that will be by the way, all right? Let me just quickly throw it in so that you start up immediately. All right, so you just quickly go to your home tab, click on your home tab. Please follow me. Another thing again you should check in, another setting again you should turn up. See they have your channel trailer. If your channel trailer is not there, I beg, put a video, because when your new subscribers come into your channel, there's a video they see first. When your returning subscribers come into your channel, there's a video they see first. And when you want to do that, put in videos that triggers people, videos that will make them want to watch more. Like, look at my channel trailer for people that haven't subscribed. You come out, because I also, all my tutorials are target rich customers, beginners friendly, how to target. This is Facebook adverts. You see, this is the feature video for returning subscribers, how to generate. This is AI. All right, so you have your own, so you just do. Now the important feature I want to talk about now is this one. You go scroll down, please don't forget home tab. The first thing, channel customization. You go to home tab, then you move down. You see this place you have for you. Hey, this is the deal. I didn't know this on time, but thank God I know it now, and that's why I'm trying to share this idea across. You see this for you. Go to these more settings. You see these more settings. We didn't know before. You don't know, say that we have the Facebook, YouTube has more settings. Click on more settings. Now, beautiful. Just go. Before, when I have not turned it on, my settings was on this place. See now, so I'm sure if you've not turned it up, if you've not turned this setting on, go back and do this thing. You will see that YouTube puts your channel on recent content only. I was the one that changed mine 3 days ago. I changed mine to all content, and since then I've been getting views, I've been getting subscribers. I'm not joking. So turn it on. So I turned it. Now you're going to turn it to all content. When you turn it to this, that means everybody that comes in, YouTube will not be recommending your all content, both your old videos, both your new videos, both videos that are more than 1 year. YouTube will recommend it. But when it's only in this recent content only, that means any video that you posted in last 12 months or more, it has gone. No, YouTube will not recommend. But this one now, all content, YouTube will recommend all your videos. So do this and get more views. Another setting you need to turn on. Watch the end though. This last one now go shock you. Another one now. So another setting now, type YouTube on your browser, youtube.com/ verify. This is another one you should check. All right, you click on it. Boom. You see? So it should show you something like this. I want to zoom it up so that you all see it. You see, God, it should show you something like this: phone number verified. You see, if you don't turn this on, YouTube will think it's YouTube will just categorize you as someone that is not even a YouTuber. It will not even move your things out. So if you've not turned this on, go through this thing and put in your verify number, verify your phone number. You see my phone number verified, so I'm recognized. So please, all these settings are very important. All these settings are very important. You will not say no, you don't have system, that's why you've not turned them on. You can see that's why I'm using my smartphone, so that you see that you can use your smartphone to turn all these things on. The next video I'll be showing you how those settings skyrocketed me from 500 subscribers to what I am now, and it's growing. Every time I keep seeing subscribers, so I say, wow, people keep watching my videos. You see that? So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share. And please, if you've not subscribed, kindly do well to subscribe, because more interesting videos are on the way coming. And go through my old videos, you see there are beautiful and informative videos out there. Thank you so much. Bye.